I recently replaced my light switch to this rocker light switch. The this is the first time I'm doing it, and the most difficult thing for me was just literally just finding on the circuit breaker box which circuit to turn off. I went through so many switches, and each one didn't work, even though I thought it'd work. So keep that in mind when you're changing your light switch, that finding the right circuit may take a while. And so in my case, I had to go outside, go back inside, go outside, go back inside. I thought it'd be a lot easier, but I was wrong. Hey, I'm going to try to replace the light switch over here. It's a sensor light switch, but it doesn't work anymore. It's supposed to turn on this light over here. So, this is not a tutorial. If somehow you got onto this, you thought it was a tutorial, it's not a tutorial. This is just my first time doing it, so I thought I'd make a video. And you can let me know if I did something wrong. I'm just trying to get something done around the house and do it myself. I got this light switch off of Amazon, and I'm planning to switch it with this. You get this at Home Depot too. So it should fit. Nothing fancy. All I need is a screwdriver and what's it called? I wanted to have like a wire cutter stripper tool, but I don't have that lying around. So these are my tools. Some screwdrivers, the thing light switch I'm gonna replace it with, some rubber gloves, and a voltage tester. First thing I need to do is I need to go to the circuit breaker and turn off circuit breaker for my bathroom lights. So here's my circuit breaker, and I'm looking for bathroom lights. So here it says bathroom, and I can turn it off. So I'm going to try doing that. Hopefully it does what I need it to. Some other ones, it says plugs over here, but I'm going to try turning on bath. And I'm going to check to see if the lights turn off. Going back upstairs. Trying that. Nope, didn't turn it off. Now I gotta go back downstairs and try it again. So, bath didn't work. Let's try the one above it. And the one that says fan too. Let's try this again. Still didn't turn off anything. This is the annoying thing when they don't label everything well. And you're just going through everything trying to figure out what's to turn off and what to turn on. Microwave laundry. So I'll come back once I find out which one it is. I'm thinking I'm going to try the convention ones down here. Hopefully it's one of these. So, after doing some search work, I still haven't found it. That's another story.